Hi everyone, today we're diving into something that's changing the way we capture our lives. This is the HOVERair X1 Pro Max 8K flying camera, the world's first truly hands-free, self-flying 8K camera. And after spending some time with it, I'm super excited to show you why this thing stands out. Unlike traditional drones that need a controller or a phone app, the HOVERair unfolds, launches from your palm, and starts filming, completely hands-free. That means cinematic, professional-looking shots with zero hassle. It's designed for creators, athletes, and everyday explorers who just want incredible footage without lugging around heavy gear. It's super easy to transport in a backpack.
That's not like a wall.
First up, image quality. The HOVERair Pro Max captures 8K horizontal video, which lets you crop to vertical for TikTok or Instagram without losing any detail. Whether you're shooting landscapes, city scenes, or action sports, the footage is crisp, vibrant, and future-proof. I'll overlay some clips here so you can see what it looks like in real life. This little flyer isn't just about resolution either. It's built for speed. It can follow you up to 26 miles an hour with bursts up to 37 miles per hour, keeping up with running, cycling, or even light motorsports. The smart tracking locks onto your movement and stays with you, so you're always framed perfectly. The new Omni-Terrain feature lets Hoverfly handle low-light environments, perfect for dusk runs, night cycling, or urban shots where lighting changes constantly. It keeps tracking smooth and stable no matter the terrain or conditions. Between its 2-axis gimbal, EIS system, and horizon leveling, your footage stays rock steady, even on rugged trails or windy days. No more shaky clips or tilted horizons. To launch it, just unfold it, push the button, and it launches from your palm. When you're done, it lands back in your hand. No controller, no phone, just pure automation. For creators on the move, this is a game changer. Okay, so this is the best feature. As soon as you turn it on, you just have to choose one of these modes. The first one that I like is Dolly Track, but there's also so many. Bird's Eye, Spiral, Orbit, Follow, Zoom Out, Hover, 360 Spin, Indoor Follow, Cycling Mode, Ski Mode, back to Dolly Track. You can also attach your phone in here as well, and it comes with a cord to hook it up. Really easy and for a bigger screen, and you can see the more settings as well. You can change from 8K to 4K. When you're done, all you do is put your hand under it, and that's it. It's also very compact. You just fold it up, fits right in your pocket, and you're ready to go. Think about vlogging for your travels, documenting workouts, filming behind the scene shots, or capturing family adventures. The HOVERair adapts to each scenario. Horizon for YouTube, vertical for Instagram and TikTok. Its versatility makes it ideal for pros and casual users alike. If you're ready for a flying camera that does the work for you, check out the HOVERair X1 Pro Max 8K flying camera. Links are in the description. This has been my deep dive into the future of hands-free aerial filming. Thanks for watching. There's a slight breeze out today, and this drone still stays pretty steady.
That's not like a wall. You cat. Yeah, that's a lot of people.